Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, we've packed our bags and we're going somewhere. I'll let you know where I'm going, but before that, please do subscribe, like, and comment. Not generally in that order, but yeah, please do it and please do watch the video till the end. This is a really good video, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. So this is gonna be another of my travel vlog. This is a like 1 day vlog, and we're going to Adiyogi, not the Bangalore one. We're going to Coimbatore. We have got a nice bus. So now it's 8:15 or 8:20, and we have boarded the bus like 7:40 or something. We have boarded the bus from Madhiwala bus stop. I've shown you where Madhiwala bus stop is, so there is some kind of confusion where the bus stop is, but I've shown you the exact spot. You can board the bus from there, and from here we'll go to a bus stand. What is the name of the bus stand?
Gandhipuram.
Gandhipuram. So the name of the bus stand is Gandhipuram. From there is 1 hour distance. So from there we will take another bus. So this is a sleeper bus. You can see nice seats, comfy. So and also like we have TV here. We have a TV that doesn't work. So yeah, all in all the bus is really good. I mean, if you have seen my Coke videos, if you haven't seen, you should see. I'll provide you the link. But if you have seen, the bus we had was like, I mean, it was good, but not like this one. This is really comfy, and the jerking is really less. I don't know if the suspension is good or not. But anyway, all in all, this bus is really comfortable, and the view is also nice. So we're gonna watch some views, and then we're gonna make the video after I get done from this bus. And also I have some food, homemade food. Maybe you'll show. So guys, we are in a bus and that goes to Isha Temple. So the bus number is 5. 14D bus also goes, but so this is kind of a local bus. So we'll probably reach after 1 hour. Right now it is let me see what the time. So right now it is about 4:30, 4:40, and we'll reach probably 5:20 or something. And I guess you can't hear me, so we'll talk after we get down. The entrance of Adiyogi. The bus is standing there. We just got down here and we're gonna enter from here. And I don't know if you can see or not. There is the real 1100 feet? No, 112 feet. 112 feet Shivji. I don't know if you can see or not. Right there, if you can see up my hand, that's the Shivji. We're gonna enter from here and go all the way down to there. And there is some really great food and everything is available. So we're gonna see if we can eat anything or not. Bigger than my face. thing you see around Shivji's neck, that is made out of Rudraksh malas, like hundreds and thousands of Rudraksh malas. So we are finally at the foot of the Shivji, and we've got a nice view here. So the Shivji, I'll call him Shivji. So Shivji is in between like all the mountains here. So in between all the mountains there is like a huge statue of Shivji, which is 112 feet tall. And I'm literally just standing. So this is me. So we're gonna also wait for the light show that is gonna happen from 7 and 7:30. So after that we're gonna run to.
There will be an offering of Arati to the Yogeshwar Linga after Adiyogi Divya Darshanam. Namaskaram. We will begin this evening with a musical offering.
शिवं शान्तं जगन्नाथं लोकानुग्रह
Over 15,000 years ago, a being appeared in the upper regions of Himalayas. No one knew who he was, where he came from. The origins of this spectacular being were unknown.
So guys, we have reached Gandhipuram. The light show was really great. Can't talk about it much right now, but we're gonna go have dinner. And the place is really crowded here. Like, it feels like Bangalore and Kolkata only. But anyway, we're gonna have some dinner. We're gonna have some local food, and we're gonna have some fish and rice maybe. And I'll show you that food. Then we'll get on bus and talk about the rest. So after like a long day of journey, we have come to a place where I want to have dinner, and I think it serves like traditional Tamil Nadu food, and the restaurant name is Hari Bhavan. So it is like near to the Gandhipuram bus stop. So the bus we are gonna go to Bangalore. That will come here only. So after having dinner here, I'll go there. So first we have taken Holy Soda. So this thing is really popular in South India, and this is how it tastes. So it tastes just like overly sweet lime, and there is some kind of ball here you can see. So anyway, overly sweet lime with some soda, but tastes good. We have got the sankara fish, very big. We have got, so there was no plain rice available, so we have got some plain biryani, some raita, and one nimbu. And I think this is maybe some kind of rasam. I don't know, looks some kind of dal. So first I'm gonna try out the biryani. The biryani is nice. It has some vegetables, it has some kaju, cashews, and tastes like just like a biryani without the chicken. So we must try some of this. Tastes better without that. So now for the real thing. The fish looks tasty, very hot. It's really tasty. When I have had this kind of fish, I don't remember the name of it, but this kind of taste is available. Like क्या चिकन मक्खी नाम से अरे खाए भेजे खाई ना वैष्णो दी भेजे खाई तोपसी yeah the taste is similar to topsi. The taste really good and no bones on all, proper fish. किधर है चलो चलो बैठने दो हटो हटो
जूता 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 ना खुले
So we are going back to Bangalore